What if I told you that the wrong PC case is secretly cooking your components and stealing your FPS? And the right one? It's not just about looks, it's a free performance upgrade. After testing and building in dozens of cases this year, I've found the 5 that stand above the rest. We're talking about cases that give you insane airflow for lower temperatures, genius designs that make building a dream, and of course, the kind of style that will be the centerpiece of your setup. Forget the confusion. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which case will take your build from good to legendary. Let's get into it. Starting at number 1. Fractal Design NZXT PC Case. I will admit I am a sucker for wood and technology. There is something unique about it that cannot be replicated by anything a machine can produce. This is one reason I was so excited to dive into the Fractal Design NZXT case and see how it compares to alternative offerings in the market. With its unique blend of natural materials and sleek design elements, it offers a refreshing take on the traditional gaming PC case. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Fractal Design NZXT PC case gives off a sense of sophistication and elegance that seamlessly integrates into any living space. While the NZXT may be a striking case, it still manages to have all the features we have come to expect from a modern PC. It features generous dimensions, 20 by 9.4 by 20 inches, that provide ample room for even the most ostentatious builds, accommodating EATX motherboards and graphics cards up to an impressive 413mm in length. This expanded form factor is a significant upgrade from the original North, catering to enthusiasts who demand the latest and greatest components without compromising on aesthetics. Number 2. MSI Mag PANO M100 RPZ PC Case. Even before you dive into what makes the Mag PANO M100 RPZ case special, it manages to impress with its clean design and construction, all made to showcase the PC that will be housed inside. The case features a unique 270-degree panoramic tempered glass panel that provides an unobstructed view of your PC's inner workings. It's a showcase that puts your components on full display. The white variant we tested looks particularly sleek with its clean lines and minimalist approach, and I love how well it all works together. In terms of cooling, the case supports up to 11 fans in total, with mounting points on the top, bottom, side, and rear. This level of flexibility is impressive and should allow for some creative cooling configurations. This also means you have plenty of room to push your system, giving you options for overclocking or even just adding more cooling to your system to get the best performance possible. The sky is the limit. Even with all it brings to the table, the Mag PANO M100 RPZ manages to be very competitively priced at just over $100. Its unique design, ample cooling support, and included fans make it a strong contender in its price range. Number 3. Darkbase 701 PC Case. The Darkbase 701 series case from manufacturer Be Quiet offers a beautiful, clean aesthetic, plenty of room for component installation, and provides excellent airflow options for PC enthusiasts. Built to maximize airflow and performance, the 701 comes stock with 3 Silent Wings 4140M PWM fans, a PWM and ARGB hub for easy installation, and both ARGB and fan controls built into the chassis for easy system management. With smart design options and excellent accessories to accommodate a host of build options, the Darkbase 701 aims to be the perfect case for your next PC build. On the note of cable management, Be Quiet has worked in some fairly robust wire trays to help direct and clean up the cabling on the back of the system. Tying down cables is exceptionally easy, and with the inclusion of branded cable ties, it ends up looking great as well. I only have one small critique and one suggestion for the design. Number 4. Corsair 6500X PC Case. As someone who reviews hardware constantly, it is rare I find a single item that truly impresses me, but the Corsair 6500X PC case managed to be something special. The pursuit of the perfect PC case is a never-ending journey for most enthusiasts. We want ample room for beefy graphics cards, especially considering they seem to get bigger every year, exceptional cooling performance, clean cable management, low noise levels, and striking aesthetics. Often, we must sacrifice one or more of these desires when choosing a case. The 6500X brings plenty of space to spec out your new build any way you want. There is ample room for a range of fans, AIO coolers, or full water cooling if you so desire. We kept things simple for the build, using an MSI MPG 360mm AIO cooler and the typical assortment of case fans to keep things running smoothly, even during benchmarking. The space the Corsair 6500X affords made dropping in everything incredibly simple, with even the normally tedious task of getting everything looking nice while also keeping things running smoothly without a hitch. The Corsair 6500X and 6500D Airflow carry a $199.99 MSRP, which positions them in the premium segment of the market. Number 5. NZXT H7 Flow RGB. When we unboxed the H7 Flow RGB after Computex 2024, the first thing we noticed was its redesigned front panel. Gone is the cheese grater-like appearance of the 2022 model, replaced by a more refined mesh design that still prioritizes airflow but gives the overall more modern feel. The iconic NZXT design features managed to make a return at the bottom of the front panel, giving the case a distinctive look that fans of the brand will appreciate and that will look fantastic once everything is put together. When compared to other mid-tower cases in its price range, the NZXT H7 Flow RGB 2024 holds its own. Its thermal performance is impressive, with our testing showing it to be among the top performers in CPU cooling. GPU temperatures are also competitive, thanks in part to the potential for bottom-mounted fans. But what makes it so impressive is how quiet it all is, even with everything running. I was shocked at how well H7 Flow RGB manages noise while keeping everything cool, something that is a must for anyone ever considering overclocking. For those looking to upgrade their current setup or start a new build, the NZXT H7 Flow RGB 2024 offers a blend of style, functionality, and performance that's hard to beat. And that's your shortcut to a cooler, quieter, and better-looking PC. One of these 5 cases is the perfect foundation for your next build. Ready to start your build? Every single case we featured, with links to check the latest prices and availability, is waiting for you in the description below. I've done the research, you just have to click. If this video helped you pick your next case and saved you hours of research, please show some love with a thumbs up, it really helps the channel out. Share this with your build squad so they can make the right choice too. And for more straight-to-the-point PC building guides and reviews, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching. Now go build something awesome. See you in the next one.